Hey everybody, it's Jason from the Bead Gallery, and hello. It's Tin Box 13, and we have a few of these very cool items that we're going to show you. A small selection, but a very good selection. So please come and join me. All right, so the first thing we have here is these beautiful, they're small, but they're beautiful watermelon tourmaline slices. Okay, these, we have 14 pieces on one strand and a 14 on the other, and we're going to sell that to you guys for $75. Okay, and it's got the green, the pink colors. You may be able to see a little bit of some yellow shading, but for the most part, you're going to see beautiful pinks and greens on there. So pick this up if you can. They are about 6 millimeters. All right, so that is the watermelon tourmaline. Next one up is going to be a sterling silver toggle. This sterling silver toggle hasn't seen too much on the website, so please pick this one up. Look how beautiful the detail work is here. There you go. Very nice. Again, this is sterling silver. This is 925. Perfect for your necklaces and or fitted bracelets. So your sterling silver marquee toggle, pick them up. All right, since we're talking about silver, let's look at my sterling silver chain. This particular sterling silver chain is a curb chain, and curb chains are known for being a round cable that's been twisted and then flattened out. So what you see is a flattened cable chain that's been pulled. Isn't that nice? We are selling this by the foot. We are selling this by the foot for $4. All right. After this show, it'll go to its inch price, and then we will weigh it for market value. All right. So pick up your curb chain, 1 foot, $4. Arizona Peridot. I love this chunky chip strand. Natural, beautiful green. All rustic, all real. And for $30, it can go home for you. It's approximately 8 inches in length. Great for a bracelet, or if you take it apart, you can wire wrap it and turn it into a choker necklace. You can also add it into your pieces. Arizona Peridot. Pick yours up for $30. Green. Let's talk about more green stuff. This is a very, very dark green tourmaline. Almost looks like a gray black. It's not smoky. It's actually a very dark version of tourmaline, much like the one in the beginning, but you're getting all green. And this is a small chip. The small chip width-wise is approximately 5 millimeters. You get a 7 3/4 inch length strand. I would wear it just like this. We have only a few of these available. $10 a strand. Natural green. And the theme, gray. We're going to go with black now. This is black garnet. This is a very dense material, semi-matte. We are selling 5 pieces, 5 chunky pieces, and they're going to be random. It's a random pull, a random drop. 5 pieces, approximately 1 inch long, $15. Natural black garnet. Very heavy, very dense. Perfect for that earring. Buy a couple of these, you can make an earring drop. $15, 5 pieces. And that concludes my guest appearance on the Tin Box. This is number 13. Remember, pick up your 6 items on Tin Box 13. Thank you very much.